can take 12 to 18 months or even longer to develop a single plugin from proof of concept demo all the way to beta testing. With that, you need the skilled labor of developers, product designers, marketing team, web design, and visual communication design. And then after it goes out, you need to manage bug reports, feature like compatibility issues, and also feature requests. So these teams work hard and long to provide us with tools which we can use in our everyday. So I just want to give them a little hats off. Oh my God. Here's how I'm going to intro this video. This is how much these plugins cost. This is how much I paid for them. Cool. Like, everybody knows you can get a good sale on plugins. It's like I'm reinventing the wheel here. Black Friday, Cyber Monday, Christmas, Boxing Day, New Year's, Easter, anniversaries, the third Sunday of every week for waves, apparently. They're always happening. There's always good deals to be had, but sometimes it can be a bit overwhelming. There's just fucking sales galore all the time, and we sometimes miss out on things that we don't want to miss out on because sometimes we needed that. This has to be one of the most blandest topics ever because we all know this information, but I'm just going to present it in a better way than the way you've been accessing it. I'm going to show you like what I'm doing. All right, so here's the thing. Here's plugin subscriptions. All right, this is my inbox. All right, so let's type in Plugin Alliance because Jesus Christ, we know they've always got sales, and hats off to Dirk because he does an awesome one. He even does sales for different seasons. A summer sale. It is hot. So he's just dropping things on awesome prices, and the plugins are great too. But anyway, that's not the point of what I'm trying to show you. Subscribe to these newsletters, and you're like, oh, I know I can subscribe to the newsletters and get deals. But the reality is you don't fucking see half the deals because your inbox is full of spam. So what you do is you click here, create a filter, okay, and just apply the label. Where are we? Plugin subscriptions. And that way, anytime an email comes from Plugin Alliance, it's going to go into a folder called Plugin Subscriptions, and then I can just go into that folder and see what deals are open for the day. Simple. That's one thing you can do. Boom, straight off the bat. You're not going to get it all mixed up with your I don't know, whatever stupid subscriptions you have or ones that you don't want other people to know about. The next one is join the Facebook audio groups for Plugin Alliance, Slate Digital, Acoustical Audio. And here's what you do. You just create a bookmark folder. There we are. And right click with them bookmarked. It opens them in a new tab. Once they're open, you can see what's up there and then done. You're done. It's just there and you're like, cool, this is awesome. Giancarlo's posted a cat, but he's had a productive day and he's going to be talking about new plugins and probably there'll be a deal up there at some point. So hats off to you, Giancarlo. And finally, make sure you check your account hubs. You know, they might just seem like a place that stores the receipts of your sales with a certain company, but sometimes they have loyalty offers. And I know Plugin Alliance does this and Isotope does this. You can just go in here and they got certain deals. These sales end at the end of the month, and I can get a mixing and mastering bundle loyalty offer with Ozone 9 standard for $149. Not that I'm going to get it, but I can save a bit of money if I wanted to get it. So what I'm trying to get at here is that there are always sales on. And yeah, that can be easy to be knowledgeable about and be like, hey, there's always sales on. Who cares? I'll just get things when I need them. But you can organize this information. You can organize them into folders on your Gmail, into bookmarks in your Google Chrome, so you can access the certain groups or certain places you find these deals at. And you can just log into your account hubs every now and then to see what's up. Anyway, that's this video. I just wanted to help you. I don't think you guys needed this help, but I just wanted to put pen to paper, thought to paper, and share this with you, all right? Because, you know, like, you don't need your hand held on where to find sales and when to find sales, but I just felt like this would be valuable for you. Did you find it valuable? If you did, smash the like button, hit subscribe, all right?